Welcome back. So, a time for we customize our online store, because so all our product are good there, and this is where our audience will be coming to purchase from us. So let's preview, and I'm going to click this preview. Nothing is in the store, so the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that I upload an image of myself or a face that could probably stand out for my brand, right? No, you don't have to upload a picture of yourself. You could get an inspiration image from Pinterest. So you're going to select settings, and then you're going to click on upload. But if you don't have an image that stands out, you can get one from Pinterest. And we're just going to go to Pinterest. We're going to type in CEO Boss Woman, right? As you can see, you have a lot of images that you can choose from. Yes, and further on in this let's say in this class, I'll be teaching you guys how to clone yourself, as in create an AI version of you. All right, so let's see. We're going to work with this one. Yeah, right. Choose what you want. All right, choose what you want. There's so much to choose from. Even this one looks so good. Let me choose this one instead. Okay, so guys, to save the image, you're going to click on the three dots right here, then you click download. Sorry, reason why I apologize, I feel like I didn't move too fast. So now we're going to back out and we're going to go back over Beacon, then we're going to click on right here and upload our image. All right, go, then accept. Boom, just like that. So as I stated, guys, when you're on the online space offering goods or service, you have to look professional. You understand? Because if you just look chaka chaka, nobody not gonna buy from you, honestly speaking, right? You have to choose a branding name, yeah, for yourself, so that persons can find you on the online space. You can't name Killy Bads, you can't name Skilly Bang. It has to be something that speak to the crowd. Now that you're doing digital marketing, let's say you want to choose something that is in your niche, right? So I would advise you to go to ChatGPT and you're going to type in, my name is Lashana, I'm a digital marketer and I want a name for my brand. Yes, and it will generate a name for you. Alright, so I'm going to stick with Lashana Empire, but you can get a name from ChatGPT, or if you have something in mind that stands out and looks and sound professional, no problem. No, you can change the username if you wish. Right, you can customize it. So let's say I want to change this to, I don't want it to be too long, right? Let's say Lashana Service or Lashana Jobs. Change name. And now my next step is to go back right here. I have my name, I have my branded image. Now it's time to add my digital product, right? Which is Yaman Institution, right? So this tutorial is going to show you how to add Yaman Institution, and it will be the same way you add every other else digital product, right? Yeah. So just follow my lead. Check on the time. If I'm going through this and if I'm going through it too fast, you can always go back, slide back, watch the video. All right. Yeah, I know it's going to be challenging for you at first. I had that experience. I know how it feels. Everything on the screen right now look confusing, right? So just follow my lead. If you have finished watch this video to the end and you never understand something clearly, just slide back and rewatch the video. Remember, you have access to this video to watch it over and over again until you understand how to get it done on your own. So now this is how it looks. We have chosen our name, right, and our profile image. Now we want to add a block, right? As you can see, our store is empty, so we want to add a block and we want to add digital product. We're going to select add, select add. The thing about this, there's so much things you can do on Beacon. Even if you're an affiliate marketer, you can share your affiliate products link over here. Listen, y'all see what's going on? So I'm just going to select one of these, and I'm going to stick with the large card one. No, as you can see, it's empty. All I did was select that I want this black to be a digital product. Now my next step is to add my digital product, and I'm now going to select right here, add digital product. Now it's time to customize. The thing about Beacon.Ai, it is done for you. All you have to do is customize it, input your information, and have it out there for yourself, right? Yeah. So let's go. The first thing that we want to upload it is the picture for our product, right? So you just click on right here, click on the image, and once you click on the image, this pencil icon will come up. You press on it again, and then you're going to press on add image. But because we don't have the image, we're going to get it. And again, in this tutorial, I'm showing you how to add Yaman institution to Beacons.AI. So let's go. We're going to head on over to school. We're going to head on over to school, and then we're going to go to the classroom. Guys, everything is done for you. All you're doing is copy and pasting right here. The next place we're going to go is 95% done for you, 90% done for you. And then we're going to go to product material. See it? Product material. Click on it. Once you click on it, we want our promotion material. And then we're going to get the logo for Yaman institution. So we're going to click on it. And then we're going to view templates. This is telling me to sign in. Let's go. Let's see what's use another. Let's go. I can get this done. Let's sign in very quick. Thing about this now, I don't remember the login, so I would have to forget, and it's gonna send me over to Google. Then I would have to confirm. We have to be patient while we're getting these things done. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so we're going to go back over. Something wrong happened. Come on, don't play with me like that. All right, so we're going to work with Make Money and see what's going to happen. I'm not sure what is happening right here, but I don't know. We have to complete this so we can go inside. I think we're in now. We're going to open and edit. Guys, forgive me because my data is acting weird. All right, so this is the logo. This is the logo, guys, and I want you to know that you see this logo right here. Look, branding notice. Yaman institution logo and promo material must not be changed in any way. You may only add your own link and contact info where instructed. Do not edit, do not recolor, do not resize or replace the logo or branding, please. All right, so you can use the logo, or if you want to use this promo, you can use this promo material. All right, so just for this tutorial video, I'll be using the logo, and I will be viewing templates again. Once you view templates, you're going to click on file right here. You want to copy this. You want to edit the copy. Always, if you're going to make any edits, always make a copy that you don't edit the original that everybody have access to. Cool? Okay. So you can, let's say we want to customize this. We want to remove the background. Let's say we want to customize this, right? which you don't have to, right? You don't have to if you don't want to. But you can always remove the background and change the background to pink, yellow, blue, purple, anything you want, as long as the logo is visible to your audience. Alright, so we're going to save this as a PNG right here. We're going to download. Yes, we have downloaded. Then we're going to head on back over to Beacon. Now, before we X off this, we're going to upload our image right here. Press on upload. Get your image. Where is my image now? Let's go back and see downloads. So why it's not showing that it's download? Let's save that again. Save image. Let's go. All right, here we go. So we're gonna upload it now. Once we upload it, we can custom to get it to cover all of this, right? See that? If we don't press custom, it's not going to grab all of the image, so we have to press custom. Once you do that, we press accept. Now we can remove this thing from here, right? So we're going to press on that little X. Then it's going to say, are you sure you want to delete this product image? Yes, of course. Why not? Exit off. Then your next thing is to do to change your product name. Remember, we're uploading Yaman Institution, and we stated that Yaman Institution is a digital product. So we're going to click on here one time, one touch, boom. Once you do that, it's going to come up down here. We're going to press on it again to bring up our keyboard. Then we're going to clear this. We're going to name our product Yaman Institution. Oh no. What am I doing? Okay, here we go. Once we have our name, see our product name save, we're going to press X, or we can slide down the screen. See this little thing here? Can slide it down, or we can press X. Now, the next thing is our pricing. No, what you want to sell back Yaman Institution for? You can sell it for as low as, let's get that information for you. So let's find that information. So we're going to go to master reselling rights license, and let's see the agreement. The agreement stated, because we don't want to make any mistake, right? Let's see what the agreement says. All right, so sell this product for a price between $25 and $500 US. So it can't be lower than 25 and it can't be higher than 500. So you're going to head on back over to Beacon. Now that you got your confirmation and you want to price your product, see, you'll be accepting payment in US dollars. So you enter your price, then you press done. You can exit off or you can slide it down. And again, just a little example. If you want to mark this as an discount, it could be a marketing strategy, right? If you want to mark it as discount, you could put 500, because remember, the product value 500, but you choose to sell it for $25. So if you want to do that, the original price is 500 and the sale price is $25. You're going to press off it now, and it's going to show here that it's actually on promotion and they're getting access for only $25, which means they're getting 95% off. Okay, so once you select your price, you're then going to press on right here in this space that say get my template. This is where your description go. You're going to clear off this. Take your time, guys. It can be challenging, I know. Next step, you're going to head on back over to school, and you're going to scroll down to where it said why in my description. You're going to click on it, and guess what you're going to do? You are going to read the information up here. Once you read it, your next step is to copy this. So you're going to copy from here, go straight down, take your time. It can be challenging. See that? Challenging, you know? Come again. Alright, so important note, guys, all digital sales are final. So you want to capture that inside of a description. So if somebody purchased the product from you and said, oh, I don't want it, I don't but I want it, no, they can't get a refund, right? So that is your right. So after copy and pasting it over to Beacon, you're going to do a little cleaning up. You know, everything looks spacey, so you want to touch it up. Right? Yeah, man. Clean it up. Now that we have, this not like everything in there. No, man. And everything inside. Where we stop. Forex trading. And everything in there, you know. I'm going to go back. So, guys, you have to check. See? Simple error. Not everything is there, so I'm going to paste the rest of the information. And I'm going to paste this. And then clean it up. Take on your time because it can be challenging. Remember, no one is perfect. Everybody make mistakes. So you just read through your description and make sure so everything is in order. Alright? Please. Again, you can draw down this. Use your finger and slide it down. Or you can press the X. Too much space. Alright. So after we add our description now, our next step is to press next, which is located up here. So we're going to press next. Now, what we're going to do right here is give the customer access, right? And to give them access, we have to go over to school again. And we're still inside of the 95% model, which is reselling Yaman institution. We want to give customer access right here. We're going to give them access right here by pressing on it. Read, please. What the onboarding kit is for? The onboarding kit is the first thing your customer receives after making a purchase. It is designed to welcome your customer to our platform, give them a step-by-step instruction on what to do next, provide access to this community, right? So it basically guide them, right, through their first action so they can get started without any confusion. No, this down here that said onboarding kit, this is what your customer is going to receive. So in order to give your customer access, you need to press on it. It's going to open up in Canva again, and this is the onboarding kit. This is how the onboarding kit looks, and we're going to read through it together so you understand. So Yaman institution onboarding kit. First, it gives them a welcome message. So it says, thank you for joining Yaman institution, where digital marketers are made. Right? So before starting, remember, this business works only when the steps are followed. Skipping steps or doing things differently may cause confusion. Read everything carefully and follow each step in order. Right? So I give them step 1, step 2. Do these right away. 1, send their receipt, which is their receipt that they receive after purchasing, to this email address, right? The next thing in step 2 is to request to join the community, right? You're going to give them access to the community. So you say access link here. You look what you're going to do now, you know. You're reading through as you go along. You're going to go back to the community, and then you're going to go to this page. You see this line at the top? You're going to click on it, and you're going to click on invite people, and then you're going to copy your link, right? Once you copy your link, you're going to go back over to Canva. You're going to double tap right here, highlight it. You want to scroll right down, and then you're going to click on this little thing right here, this link icon. You're going to, let's do that again. You're going to press on the link icon right here. Take your time. Then going to paste your link and then press apply. Boom, just like that. Then you're going to exit off, or you can slide it off the screen with your finger. No, that is a clickable link, you know. So when the customer click on this, it will take them to the page to sign up to create a profile on school, right? So look, once accepted, proceed to the classroom. Step 3, inside the community, at the top of the community page, you will see the community, the classroom, and the calendar. Look, it's giving them a clear step. See it there? Community, classroom, calendar. Right? So once they follow these steps, they can't end up confused. Right? So click on the classroom. This is where all lessons are located. It's done for you, right? It's a done for you platform with everything ready to go. No, I am giving them a clear direction. This is how the classroom look. Right? So step 4, inside the classroom, start here, open the first model, don't skip, start here. Inside the model, watch the welcome video. Guys, y'all know what's inside of that model. They're taking their training. The mandatory training is right there for them to watch. It's telling them, watch the welcome video, then they're going to turn off their chat, then they're going to take the training, right? So don't skip, cannot miss, must be completed by every member. Once they complete that, they're going to get their certificate. Guys, all the stuff is there. Read through it, right? Read through it, please. Right? So this is what your customer is going to get, a step-by-step guide, so they know exactly how the platform works and how they can start making money. So now that you read through it and you insert your link, your next step is to save it. Remember, guys, you can't save this if you don't insert your link. All right? So you're going to save it by pressing on this jot down right here, and you're going to save this download as a PDF standard, right? So because I want to find this, I'm going to, let's change the name. Onboarding kit 2025 2026. All right, my phone have a lot of things inside, so I might not be able to find it, so I could type in the name and yeah, I'll be able to locate it. So once you save this, right, you're gonna head on back where? To Beacon. Oh no. All right, so if it happens that your Beacon reload back, this is how you're going to locate where to insert the PDF, which is the access to the community, the onboarding kit. You're going to go back to link in bio. You're going to press digital product. Then you're going to press, let's say, you're going to sticky hit right here. See, incomplete setup. You're going to press the 3 dots. You're going to press edit. Once you press edit, you're going to press section. Then it's going to tell you what and what you have done. As you know, we have add our title, price, description, our media, and the next thing is to give our customer access, which would be our product file. So we're going to click on it. We're going to click on upload, and then we click on choose file. Right, so this is it. So once we upload our PDF, guys, make sure that it's the correct one. You don't want your customer purchase and they're not able to get access to the platform. All right, so once it's uploaded, right, you're then going to slide it off. All right, so if you check the section part, you'll be able to see that everything is added. Right, now let me just show you something. You can limit your product. So for example, this is a marketing strategy and I do hope that you use it. Now, if I want access to a product and I go to purchase it and I'm only seeing where they have 5 available, I am going to make sure that I purchase it, right? If I want something that can solve my problem and bring value to me, and I went to purchase it, and let's say I'm a procrastinator and I went on the page and see they only have 5, I am going to make sure that me buy, because I don't want them to know me not buy. So guys, always put a limit on your product. right? If you want 100, you can have 100. If you want 1,000, you can have 1,000, right? Always have a limit on your product. Yes. So let's double check something. Don't want to give you much. All right, so this is how the checkout page look, right? So the customer name, the customer email, right? This is what you want to get, because this is what I need to confirm them, right? To verify them so they can get access. And in the future, if you're selling digital product, you can also add or customize different things. What if you want to capture the customer phone number? You want to get their birthday, location. You can always customize it. And let's see. This is how the success screen look. So once they purchase, this is what they're going to see. You can always write a small message on this screen. Thank you for your purchase. You have made a, let's see, now say that. Let's say your journey begins now. Yeah, you see me? Yeah. You just want do something or so. You don't have to, but look at it, guys. I want you to take notes of this. Thank you for your purchase. Your journey begins now. All right, as you can see, a copy will be sent to your customer's email. So guys, you don't have to send anything to your customer because it is already sent to them. The system send it to them once they made purchase. They will be on this screen. Now, this is the PDF that I uploaded, right? Which is the onboarding kit. You want to see that? Yeah. It's time to customize. Okay, it's time to customize, guys. We want this to be beautiful. We want it to have a nice appearance. Yeah, we want it to have a nice appearance. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on design, which is this thing up here. Yes, we're going to press on design, and we can edit this information right here. Yes, you can edit it if you want, but I would recommend that you do that. What is there? I am a digital, let's see, press on edit profile, other. You see, I am a digital marketer helping hundreds of persons daily. That can stay, right? But just put what your purpose is, what you do. You know, as look a short bio of yourself. And this is how you change the name also. You can click on edit other, and then you can customize the name from here also if you want. Right now, for the team, you want to choose a team. Let's see my team. I like my own, but if you want, you can select one of these. Remember, you're customizing to your likings. Let's see how this one looks. Or should I let this one stay? You know, this one don't look too bad. But guess what? We're going to work with this one. No. Let's see. Preview. Alright. So you see, it's even brighter where they can see all my information more clear. But I don't want it to look that big. So I could probably choose this one. Alright, y'all seeing this? Okay, no, what I would want is my background to be black. Now I'm going to press on the X. Guys, while you customize, you press preview. While you apply something, you press preview to see how it's looking. Alright, so let's click on the rest and show you how them look. Them look not too bad. Alright, so choose the one that you want. I'm going to work with this one. An image if you want. Yeah, you can add your own background image if you want. You can also go back on Pinterest and get background image. Let's see. Guys, I don't want you to overdo this. Background image. you don't have to do this. Right, I just may be extra right now. What if it's Christmas season and you want your page to look fa la 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 la? I saw, yes, you're going to download something to pretty up your background. You don't have to. I mean, I do this. Let's say we're going to work with more than one of them. Alright, I like this one too. So I'm going to download two in case that one don't work. So I'm going to go back over there and then I'm going to click on add image. Also, if we click on background, let's see what's going to happen. No. We're going to add the image and see. No. Go like this. Go like that. Let's just focus on what we have here instead of go all out. Probably I can do that in another video. Right? So for now, for the colors, as you know, the color is, it's not white. It's giving another shade. So background, I think it's this one. Yes, it's that one. So what if I want this to be black? Let's preview that and see how it looks. Again, guys, you just click on it or you click here. Once you click on it, it's going to apply. So you just press preview. Alright, as you can see, the color of the text is a little bit darker because of the background. Yeah, we're okay with that. Header text icon in black, you see. So all we have to do now is just read, because me not like read sometime, you know. I'm gonna admit to that. Alright, so I think this is it now. Yeah, but guys, when it comes down to branding yourself, you want to make sure everything, you don't have too much colors. So guess what I'm going to do for here? I'm going to change the color of right here to green, or it could be even white. Let's see how the white looks. It's not that one. Whites. Oh, I don't like how it looks. All right, let's put it to the same shade as the header text. Background. Let's see. Background text, button text, button text is in white, so it probably would be one of these two. So if it's not this one, it's the other one. Right? I'm gonna feel like this color too bright, you know. I'm going to put it back to white. And I'm going to change the text right here to header text. I'm going to put the header text back to something a little bit. I could probably make it stay with yellow. Alright. So guys, when it comes on to branding, you have to test the beauty. Yes, you have to test the beauty of every little thing, right? So you want to make it visible that your customers or your audience can see and be able to read, right? Nothing too bright. So let's see. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change the color of this to black. I'm going to show you something. Guys, you can just play around with it, you know. You just play around with it, honestly speaking. Just play around with it and you will have your way. Right? If you don't want it to be in yellow, you don't have to. You can use white. You don't have to use the same color that I'm using. I'm just playing around to, you know, you can use white. The white don't look too bad. You can use any other color. Alright. So because I put the text background in white, it's going to blend in. It's going to be like a visible background drop, I should say, because it's in black, right? No, let's go down and see. We can change the font if we want, right? You can always play around and select one and see which one you like. Go through them. Remember, I know your page, you know, do what you want to do. Test your beauty. Test your beauty. Yes, do it, man. Test your beauty. Yeah, just mess around with them, guys, and select what you want to select. You get me? Right? Remember, your store, not mine. Yeah, but you just want to make sure that your audience can read the information. Right? Yes. Okie dokie. So we don't want to do nothing too much right here. So and we're going to it right here. So you know, we're all right with how it looks. You know, too much. Right? It's okay. So if you're okay with your design, you can always go back to link in bio right? And for link in bio, your button text, if you notice, it says buy now. If you click on right here that say button text, you can say I want this. Look at this. See it? It changed. Join YMI. Now look at that. It changed. Exit off. Apply. No. Yeah. So let's preview. Alright, so because you see it said shop my store, you can change that name. Let's see where we go to do that again. Digital product, shop my store, shop my store. So we don't want the shop my product there, so we're gonna go to header right here, and then we're going to erase it. We're going to write mentorship, or we can write, let's say, multiple ways to earn. Boom. Okay, you can also add a subtitle if you wish, let's say let's say we want to say like 17 different ways to earn. Learn the skill from your device. Just a little preview. If you want to add a subtitle, you can, but for this tutorial I won't be adding a subtitle. I just want to make it simple. For the layout, you can always change it if you want. Let's see. If you want to add another product, it will be right here beside this one right here, but because I only add one product, I choose to do the large layout. But you can select, right? You can put it on this side, you can put it on this side, you can select the one that you want, right? You don't have to use the same one that I use. You can select the one that you want to use. And let's see, what if I want to collect email? I could click on add block and I could click email form and I say email collection. So we did create our store, right? We did. What else left for us to do? We didn't add, let's see, we didn't add our payment method. So our next step is to go right here, then you're going to click on settings, and then you're going to go to payments. Then you're going to connect your PayPal. Again, guys, if you have Stripe, you can connect it for the persons who are living in the United States, or for the persons who have created their Stripe account from Jamaica, from any Caribbean, you can connect it. But guys, you can also connect to PayPal. But what I want you to know is that if your customer don't want to pay with PayPal, they can pay with a bank card, a debit card or a credit card. All right, so once you click on this, you just log in your email and it will ask you to connect your PayPal to Beacon. All you have to do is just press confirm and proceed. If you're asking how my customer is going to reach here, all right, let me show you. You're going to press on preview. You see this thing right here? This is what your customer is going to use to reach inside of your store to purchase your digital product. So you want to copy it using this link right here, this copy button. Press on it. You see it said copy. You're going to add it to your social, right? I'm going to show you how it will look. Let's say I'm going to edit my bio, right? I'm going to edit it and I'm going to change link. I'm going to remove my link and add that link that I just used. Let's copy that again. All right, so paste, right, and save. No. All right, so for instance, I am creating content around the product that I have can solve the audience problem, and I say go to the link in my bio. Once they go to my link in bio, which is this that I just insert, once they click on it, look what's going to happen. Let's go. Nothing can slow us down. All right, so once they click on my link, this is what they will see. Once they click on your link, they will be taken straight to your website. You see it? Your big name there? Yes. And a bio of what you do, what you offer. Multiple ways to earn. Now, if they want to join, all they're going to do is press on apply now. Remember, this thing is moving slow. Guys, remember, if you want to learn how to trade, I have access to a platform that you can literally get free access to. Yes, you're going to get access to 3 signal groups. You're going to get access to live session. You're going to get access to free education. All you have to do is have your capital amount, which is the amount that you're going to use to trade with. All right, the amount you need to get started with is $200. That $200 you're not going to pay me. You're going to deposit that $200 on your broker. You have to use the broker that is recommended. Once you do, you have access to these signal groups like for a lifetime. I'm telling you, it's a win-win. All right, so this is what the buyer is going to see, right? As you can see, once they click on it, it's going to show that you have 5 leave in stock. They're going to be able to see a description, and if they want to buy now, they press on buy now, and it's going to take them to the checkout page. They have to enter their username. Nothing wrong with having multiple ways to earn online, right? You can literally sell back Yaman institution and get your $200 so you can be a part of this platform. Believe me, right? You don't have the $200 US to deposit now to get the access. Sell back Yaman institution and then you can get access. Now, if the customer decide to pay with PayPal, they can click on it. This option will be highlighted once they enter their username and their email. You might have customers going to say, I don't have PayPal. You let your customer know that, yes, man, you can pay using a debit card, right? So once they enter their username and email, this option will be highlighted. So let me just remove it and you are going to see that it's dull. Once, see it? All right. Now, if they click on it, all they have to do is change the flag to their country, right? So you're not missing out on any sales. They change the flag to their country. I don't know why this is not loading. Well, I'm going to end the video, guys. See you in the next video. All right, I hope that this tutorial helped you out a lot. All right, remember, you don't have to show up being perfect. It's a learn and earn business. You take your time to process the information and you take action. All right, don't just watch this video, but I speak manifestation over your business that you start. I hope that your digital marketing journey may be smooth and it will turn out to be successful. All right, big up you.